Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add the Instagram field on your WordPress website. So it's very simple and 100% free. And if you think you have learned something after watching this lecture, so do like this video and share with your friends. So first of all, what you need to do, click on the add button, add plugin, okay? And then search Smash. There is the first plugin, Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed is the social feeds plugin. Okay, there is 1 million active installation of that plugin. All right, click on install now. And once it's installed, just click on activate. That's it. Okay, so this is the plugin we just installed now. So launch the setup wizard, connect your Instagram account. So I'm giving the complete tutorial, all right? So add new, and it's gonna pop up two options over there, business basic and business advanced. So we're gonna go with business basics. Connect with Instagram account and receive get started emails on your email. Okay, so I don't want that emails. Okay, so I just unchecked it and connect with Instagram. So you need to click allow because my Instagram account is already opened in that tab. All right. So just click on allow, and they will ask you for security confirmation. Yes, it is my domain. So you will see your account there. All right. Just click on next, and they will show you some options which you wanna on or off. Okay. So customer review plugin, I don't want it. Social feed collection, I don't want it. Okay. So after that, click on next. Install that GDPR plugin. I don't want that plugin either. Install selected plugin. Then it will ask for the license. So we don't need a license for that. Just click on complete setup without upgrading. Okay, so after that you will see that interface there. So what you gonna do now? Click on add new button, and these are some different interfaces to show your feed, Instagram feed on your website. All right. So the first one is already selected. Click on next. And after that, select your account which you added before. Okay. And then click on next. It will take some second for loading your account. And after that, you can see there is your Instagram feed. Actually, this is my Instagram feed because I connected my account to that domain. All right. After that, how you can show these Instagram fields on your home page or any page you want. Just click on embedded button and copy that code. Okay. And once it's done, then go to your pages. Open any page where you wanna show your Instagram feed. For example, I will show you on test page. So click on new row and add a row. Okay. After that, add an element called shortcode. Just drag and drop it here, and it's asking for the code. So just paste that code. So your Instagram feed is on there, but you can see it once you publish it, and then click on preview. Then you can see on preview your all content will show there wherever you just pasted that code. All right, this is a simple method you can show your Instagram feed on your WordPress website. All right, if you think you can like this video, so just share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tips and tricks like that. Okay, guys, see you, tata. See you next video.